Open the cover. Loosen the switch. Unscrew the screws, install the wire feeding tube and fix it. Unscrew the nut, install the 1.0 metal wire disc. Wire feed wheel correspond to the 1.0 wire disc. Pass the wire through the wire feeder wheel. Send the wire to the other end of the outlet. And then fix it. The wire feeder is installed. Install the other end of the wire feed tube. Remove the original wire feed nozzle and replace it with a 1.0 wire feed nozzle. Unscrew the nut and put it on the feed tube first. Attach the plastic feed tube to the metal tube tightly and tighten the nut. Secure again with a screwdriver to prevent loosening. Attach the wire feed tube to the welding gun head and tighten the screws. Open the nozzle box, select a nozzle and install the nozzle. Adjust the distance of the graduated tube to the 0 position and fix it. Snap the wire into the nozzle to make sure the wire feed is stable. Then fix the wire feeding tube again to prevent it from loosening. Welding gun head installation is completed. Install the signal wire of the wire feeder. There is a notch on the end of the wire aligned with the other end of the bulge. Tighten the screws. Wire feeder speed settings. Set 10 can be. Click the switch, unscrew. Water cooler, add pure water, unscrew the lid. Use the hose to add pure water. Be sure to use pure water. Add the location of the water. Keep the water level in the green area. Can be. Installation of the power cord. Turn on the welding machine power. Rotate the emergency stop button and twist the key to wait for the system to start. Open the safety lock. and select the welding process from the process library. Turn on the laser switch and the wire feeder switch. If you want to change the voice, click the language button. The system comes with 18 languages. Click on the desired language function change. Click on the upper left corner 4 functions change: welding, cutting, weld cleaning, remote cleaning. Check whether the laser light out in the middle of the wire to ensure that the laser can be normal welding. 8 mm gas pipe connected to the welding machine. The other end is connected to the gas tank. Select nitrogen or argon. Open the gas tank valve. Welding function. The air pressure will be stabilized in the first cell. Can be cutting or cleaning. Adjust the air temperature to the number 1. Can be after adjusting the air pressure. Click on the air pressure button. Listen to whether the normal out of gas. Unwrap the metal clip. 3 mm stainless steel clamp the metal clip on the metal plate to ensure normal welding. Change to cutting mode. Confirm the button. Power selection 1500W. Turn on the laser button. Replace the scale tube. Keep the scale at 0 position. Replace the cleaning mode. Power selection 400W. Turn on the laser button. Laser cleaning of welded seams with stray colors, more beautiful after cleaning. Disassemble the gun head and replace it with the cleaning head. Replace the focusing lens. Need to be replaced in a dust-free environment. Place the mode. Select the power 1500W. Turn on the laser.